Good morning.
Good
Thank
morning,
you for
sir.
coming. Please have a seat.
Yes.
So, can you please introduce yourself and tell me about your background in refrigeration and air conditioning?
Sure. My name is Farid Diolak Sabdian. I recently graduated from Polytechnic Negeri Bandung with diploma in refrigeration and air conditioning engineering. During my studies, I focus on my system design, maintenance, and troubleshooting of HVAC systems. I also completed an internship at PT Daikin Air Conditioning Indonesia, where I was involved in system checks and basic commissioning for VRV system.
That sounds like valuable experience. What were your main responsibilities during the internship?
I assisted the senior engineers in checking refrigerant pressure, airflow measurements, and ensuring the control system were working properly. I also learned how to read wiring diagrams and handle basic troubleshooting on indoor units that weren't cooling effectively.
Great. Why did you apply to our company?
I admire your company reputation in providing energy efficient and HVAC solutions. I believe this is a place where I can grow professionally, especially because I am very interested in learning more about chilled water system and advanced control system, which I know your company specializes in.
Good to hear. How do you handle problems in the field, especially when you're working under pressure?
I always do stay calm and follow the procedure step by step. I usually start by identifying the symptoms, checking the system pressure, temperature, and then reviewing the possible errors from the controller or the system log. If I need help, I'm afraid to ask my supervisor or refer to the service manual.
Sounds like you have a good attitude. Are you willing to work in the field or be assigned to project outside the city?
Yes, I am. I actually enjoy working on site and facing the real challenge. I believe that's where I can learn the most.
Good. Last question. Do you have any certification or special training related to refrigeration system?
Yes, I have. I have a refrigeration handling certificate and a basic electrical safety certificate, and I also attended training for VRV installation and commissioning.
That's excellent. Do you have any question for me?
Yes, actually. I'd like to ask what kind of project will I be involved in if I'm selected for this position?
Most of our current projects involve VRF installation for storage maintenance and energy efficiency audits for commercial buildings. You'll likely start as a junior technician under supervision.
That sounds great. I'd be very happy to be part of that.
Thank you, Farid. We'll be in touch soon after the selection process.
Thank you very much for your time. I look forward to hearing from you.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah,
How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Great. Can we begin?
Yes, of course.
Okay. First, can you tell me about your education and experience in HVAC and refrigeration systems?
Yeah, sure. My name is Chico. I recently completed my diploma in refrigeration and air conditioning engineering from Polytechnic Negeri Bandung. During my final year, I worked on a project analyzing indoor air quality using a heat recoil ventilator. I also did my internship at a commercial HVAC company, where I learned about installation and maintenance of split duct and VRF system.
Sound like you had some solid exposure. What do you consider the most important aspects when maintaining an air conditioning system?
I believe regular maintenance is a key, especially checking refrigerant levels, cleaning filters, and ensuring the electrical components are in good condition. It's also important to make sure the system is operating within the correct pressure and temperature range to avoid long-term damage.
Good point. Have you ever dealt with a system that wasn't cooling properly? What steps did you take to identify the issue?
Yes, actually during my internship, one of the units wasn't cooling even though the system seemed to be running. I first checked the remote controller for error codes. Then I inspected the indoor unit. I found that the evaporator coil was dirty and the airflow was blocked. After cleaning it and resetting the system, the cooling returned to normal.
That's great. How familiar are you with VRV or VRF systems?
I've had some hands-on experience during my internship. I helped with the piping layout, vacuuming the system, and assisted in the commissioning process using the Icon Surface Checker tool. And I'm still learning, but I'm very eager to deepen my knowledge.
Excellent. We sometimes require our technician to work overtime or in rotating shifts. Would that be an issue for you?
Not at all. I'm used to flexible schedule, and I understand that HVAC work sometimes need to be done after hours, especially in commercial setting.
That's good to hear. Do you have a long-term goals in this field?
Yes, I hope become a certified HVAC engineer and efficiently lead the team or manage projects. I'm also interested in learning more about energy efficient designs and green building concept.
That's great, Chico. Do you have any question for me?
Yes, I like to know, does your company provide technical training or certification program for your technicians?
Yes, we do. We provide regular in-house training and also support certification for VRF system and safety standards.
That's great to hear. I really love to be a part of the environment.
Thank you for coming in today. We'll contact you soon with the result.
Thank you very much for your time and consideration.
Thank you.